Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. Oh, I was falling down almost. The weather is very nice, even though it's snowy. I love it. Green and white at the same time. It looks very good. I just want to tell you that I have found a solution. Please check the video, and if it helps you, please subscribe to my channel. I will appreciate your support. Bye! For watching the video. Did the solution help you? If it did, I will appreciate your support by subscribing to my channel. Thank you again. See you later. Bye. Bye.